इंडिया का सबसे पहला 3D प्रिंटेड पोस्ट ऑफिस बैंगलोर में बन रहा है. Meet the Ulsoor Bazaar Post Office. This 1100 square feet project was built by L&T at a cost of just 23 lakhs. And 5 people were required to build it in just 45 days. If built conventionally, this would take over 30 people and much longer. This project uses a new 3D printing technology where a robotic arm layer by layer drops a special concrete mixture to build the project. All of this completely digitally enabled. A computer sets the design and the robot's good to go. I can't begin to imagine how many buildings in the future will actually be made by robots and not human. Makes me wonder, will technology cause unemployment even in the construction sector? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below.